Hello, myself Naksha Patel, working as an assistant professor in computer department at Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Now today we are going to learn about part 2 of unit number 5. Today we discuss about problem that is minimum spanning tree. We solve the minimum spanning tree using greedy approach. There is a two problem that is Kruskal algorithm and Prim's algorithm we solve using minimum spanning tree. Now before that we understand what is the minimum spanning tree. Before that we understand the spanning tree. Now what is the spanning tree? A spanning tree of a graph G is a subgraph which is basically a tree and it contained all the vertices of graph G contain the no circuit. Means minimum spanning tree is a subgraph of a given graph which contain all the vertices. So subgraph which contain all the vertices, but it subset of given age. Now what is the minimum spanning tree? A minimum spanning tree of a weighted connected graph G of a spanning tree with a minimum weight or smallest weight. Minimum spanning tree means it contains a subgraph with minimum weight. Now here we see the introduction, that is graph G has an n number of node and A is a set of edges which is connected and undirected graph, and each edge of the given graph which contain the positive length which is known as a weight of given graph, and the spanning tree of a given graph is a subgraph which contain all the vertices but does not contain the cycle. The minimum spanning tree is a subgraph with the minimum weight of edges. Now we apply the minimum spanning tree in the routing algorithm and design of network. Now there is two applications of minimum spanning tree, that is Kruskal algorithms and Prim's algorithm. Now first of all we discuss the Kruskal algorithms. Here we see the graph. Graph is a connected graph and it has how many vertices? Vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here we formed a spanning tree which contained all the vertices. Here it contained all the vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, but it contained n minus 1 edges. Now we see the second graph with 6 vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we formed a spanning tree with which contained all the vertices with n minus 1 edges. Now here we see the example of Kruskal algorithms which contain the graph G with the connected undirected graph. Now the main aim of Kruskal algorithm is always select the minimum cost edge is selected, but it is not necessary that selected edge is an adjacent edge. Now first we select the minimum edge. First we select the edge with minimum weight. Here the minimum weight edge is C to D. So we select the first edge with the vertices C and D. Now we second select the any edges with the minimum weight. Now we select the second edges, that is B to C, and third step we select the edge with B to E, and then we select the edge with A to B with the weight of 4. So here we form the minimum spanning tree which contain all the vertices. Here how many vertices? 5 vertices, that is vertices A, B, C, D and E. So here we covered all the vertices with the minimum weight. So total cost of minimum spanning tree is a 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 10. Now see the algorithms of Kruskal algorithm. First of all, sort the length of sort A. A is edges by increasing length. N is the number of nodes in a given graph, and T is equal to first of all 5, which contain the edge of minimum spanning tree. Now we define the n sets containing the different element of set of node n. First of all, E is a U and V, means E is the edges of sort weight. Now first of all we find the vertices U and vertices V which connect the edge E. If U and U is not equal to V, U and V is a vertices, is not equal to U is not equal to V, then we combine it or then we merge it into the T. T is a collection of edges which is we selected. Now we repeat this procedure until it contains the n minus 1 edges. So spanning tree contains the n minus 1 edges and all the vertices. Now here we see the example. So given graph, find the minimum spanning tree with the help of Kruskal algorithm. This is the given graph. Now first of all we select the minimum. First of all we select sort the edges in increasing order of their weight. Here edges, first we select 1 to 2 with a weight of 1, then select 2 to 3 with a weight of 2, and then select 4 to 5 with the weight of 3, and then select 6 to 7 with the weight of 3. After that select 1 to 4 with the weight of 4, and then 2 to 5 with the weight of 4, 4 to 7 with the weight of 4, 3 to 5 with the weight of 5, 2 to 4 with the weight of 6, 3 to 6 with the weight of 6, 5 to 7 with the weight of 7, 5 to 6 with the weight of 8. Now after that here we sort the edges with the increasing weight. After that we select the minimum weight edges, but one thing is remind that it contained the no cycle. Now first we select 1 to 2. So here we select 1 to 2. After that we select 2 to 3. So here we select 2 to 3. After that select 4 to 5 with the 8 with the weight 3. Here we select it. After that 1 to 4. Here we select 1 to 4. After that 6 to 7. 4 to 5, 6 to 7, 1 to 4, and then 2 to 5. 2 to 5 we cannot select. We not select because if we select it then it formed a cycle. So we cannot select it. 4 to 7 we can 4 to 7 we select it with the weight of 4. After that this we cannot select. 3 to 5 we cannot select because if we select then it formed a cycle. 2 to 4 we cannot select because it formed a cycle. 3 to 6 we cannot select because it formed a cycle. 5 to 7 we can also we not select because it formed a cycle. 5 to 6 also not select because it formed a cycle. So here we select the edges with the 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 4 to 5, 6 to 7, 1 to 4 and 4 to 7, and we covered all the vertices. This is the spanning tree with the help of Kruskal algorithm with the cost of 17. Now here we see the which edges is considered and which component are connected. So first of all we select 1 to 2, so then 2 to 3, 4 to 5, 6 to 7, 1 to 4, 2 to 5, 2 to 5 are rejected because it formed a cycle, and then 4 to 7. So connected component are vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now here we give the true two graph two connected weighted graph. So try to solve using Kruskal algorithm. Now the complexity of Kruskal algorithm is the theta of a log n, where a is the total number of edges and n is the total number of nodes in the given graph. Now we see the next algorithm which is solved using greedy method, that is the Prim's algorithm. Now what is the Prim's algorithm? Prim's algorithm, the minimum spanning tree grow in the natural way, means we select any arbitrary starting root. At each stage we add a new branch to the tree which is already constructed, and the algorithm stops when all the nodes have been reached. This algorithm proceeds by selecting the edge. First of all, we select an edge with a minimum weight. The algorithm proceeds by selecting the adjacent edge with the minimum weight. But care should be taken that not forming the circuit or cycle. Net complexity of Prim's algorithm, that is theta of n square, where n is the total number of nodes in the given graph. Now we see the example of spanning tree with the help of Prim's algorithm. Here the graph is given with the weighted, connected, undirected graph. Now we select an arbitrary root. Now first of all we select the arbitrary node 1, and the node 1 form the edge 1 to 2 and 1 to 4, and then find the edge with minimum weight. Here the two edges which connected with the vertices 1, that is 1 to 2 and 1 to 4, but we select the edge with the minimum weight. So edge 1 to 2 is 1 to 2 which contain the minimum weight 1. So we select 1 to 2 edges. Now second we select the node 2. Node 2 has an edge 1 to 4, 2 to 3, 2 to 4 and 2 to 5, but we select the edge with the minimum weight. So we select the edge 2 to 3. Now next we select the node 3. Node 3, 1, 2 and 3 with the edges 1 to 4, 2 to 4, 2 to 5, 3 to 5 and 3 to 6. But we select the edge with the minimum weight. So we select the edge 1 to 4. Now node is 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 with the edges 2 to 4, 2 to 5, 3 to 5, 3 to 6, 4 to 5 and 4 to 7. But we select the edge 4 to 5 with the weight 3. Now the node is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We select the edge 4 to 7 with the edge 4, weight 4. Now node is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we select the edges 6 to 7 with the weight of 3. Now the minimum spanning tree is contained all the vertices and n minus 1 edges, and the total cost is 17. Now one thing is remind in the Prim's algorithm is that the first select any arbitrary node and then select the node with the minimum weight, and the next time we select the edges with adjacent node, and one thing is remind that it not forming the cycle. Here the algorithms for Prim's algorithms. So here we select the edges, that is 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 1 to 4, 4 to 5, 6 to 7, 4 to 7 and 6 to 7. This is the connected node, and we select the edges. Now we see the algorithms of Prim's algorithm. Graph G has an n number of node n a edges. T is a phi. B is an arbitrary member of node n. B is not equal to n. Then we find the u comma v. U and v is a vertices which contain edges e with a minimum length. So u belongs to b. B means any arbitrary member of node n, and v belongs to n or b. So T is a collection of edges and B is a collection of vertices. Then return the T. So complexity of Prim's algorithm is theta of n square. Here we give the two graph. Solve it using Prim's algorithm. Thank you.